Yo, what is up guys? I'm Hussam here. In this tutorial we are going to talk about comments in Rust. The basic version of comments in Rust is very simple. You only put two forward slashes in code to indicate that this line will be a comment. You can put any description that you want in front of this comment indicator. So here you can see we have a comment. You can also put comment after the end of the line here, and put any description that you want. So this line will be executed, and this section is a comment. So this is the main way of doing comments. You can add multiple lines. So here we can have multiple lines of comments, and this is the preferred way of doing comments in Rust. But in Rust we can have multiple lines of comments. For example, if I press Control Shift and the forward slash button in my keyboard, you can see here CLion added this section and this section to these lines, and now we have multiple lines of comments that we can add anything to it without needing to put anything in front of the lines. But this is not recommended yet in Rust, and people will use the simple version, which is this one. In the Rust book they don't talk about the second version, but I wanted to let you know that the multi-line feature is also supported. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I see you in the next one.